Graduate student workers at MU had a legal victory today. KOMU8's Caroline Dade talked with the leader of the Graduate Workers Union. She joins us now in the studio with what this means for the future.
Earlier today, the Missouri Supreme Court released a one-sentence decision. The court rejected the UM system's last appeal in a case that would allow graduate student workers to unionize. MU grad students are workers and are allowed to unionize. That July decision from the Missouri Western District Court of Appeals will stand after today's state Supreme Court action. The co-chair of the Coalition of Graduate Workers told me he never doubted that student workers are university employees.
I think this was already case law, and unfortunately the university was using the court system to try to diminish our enthusiasm and delay the inevitable as long as possible.
Graduate workers at MU formed a coalition in 2015 when university officials told the students they wouldn't get health care benefits anymore. In the 4 years since, the student workers have been fighting for the university to recognize them as employees.
We do a lot of important work with teaching and research, and I think we should have the protections as employees for doing so.
After the Supreme Court's rejection today, the UM system released a statement saying, quote, "It is our understanding that the case will be remanded to the trial court for further proceedings consistent with the opinion of the Court of Appeals." But the case will only go back to the Court of Appeals for one specific purpose, to decide if the coalition formed in 2015 has exclusive bargaining rights for grad students. The question of if graduate students are employees, that's settled. In the studio, Caroline Dade, KOMU8 News.